My name is Victoria Mallett, class of 2009, and I'm a PhD candidate at the London School of Economics.
Dr. Richard Horonic, and Guilford class of 2007.
My name is Natalie Spitzer, class of 2011. I'm a professional learning associate with the New York City Department of Education.
I'm Deirdre Murphy, Guilford College class of 1994, and I'm a local government professional with the city of San Antonio, Texas.
My name is Hillary Rutan, class of 2009, and I'm a custom program manager at the University of Texas at Austin.
Majoring in French and majoring in any other language has the effect of teaching you empathy. It helps you to understand and put yourself in the shoes of other people.
When you learn a language, you have to ask a lot of questions. You have to figure out the best way to say things that may not always be a direct translation.
Both professionally and personally, the atmosphere of Guilford College has been enriching for my life.
The adaptability, the people skills, and the confidence that's really helped me succeed in my life and career, and especially in my current position.
Modern languages has been critical to my career as a researcher, as an ethnographer, as somebody who interviews other people for my work.
My public government job currently is working for our health department. And during this time of COVID, there has been a desperate need for anybody and everybody who speaks Spanish in addition to English. So I really truly have had that opportunity with the work that I'm doing.
I grew up in a really rural town in North Texas where I really just wasn't exposed to a lot of different ideas or people. And I think it's really my time at Guilford, and especially in the French language department, that's really helped me develop those skills.
Guilford would not be Guilford without the language departments.
I think the broader Quaker philosophy of Guilford College has also really affected how I see education. The access to the liberal arts education has meant so much to me and really changed the course of my life.
Quaker values were something new to me when I arrived at Guilford, thinking about justice and simplicity. These are things that have influenced me greatly as somebody who works in politics, as somebody who lives as a foreigner, as an immigrant in another country.
I find myself often talking about consensus. How do we come to agreement? How do we help each other see those points?
The value of integrity has been especially important to me, and I really attribute that to my time at Guilford, from seeing people really speak up for what they believe in and holding true to those values throughout their time.
I can't imagine a world where students don't have the opportunity to engage in all those classes and meet the amazing professors in our community.